You want to go up on the crocodile? Go ahead.
You can ask anyone in uniform later and they'll direct you back over here to the cheetah enclosure. You can take more time. Let me pull up just a little bit farther. I'm going to make another stop, and if you stand up and look to the left, you're going to see southern white rhinos. We've had the best successes in the world with their reproduction in the wild that can number literally into the millions. These are very gregarious birds that actually reproduce better in large groups. So basically, the more flamingos you have, the more flamingos you have. That's kind of how it works. Now, is anybody here for the first time today? Every baby is important to give us genetic diversity in the world collection. Desperate attempt to try and save this species from extinction, and quite honestly, it's not. Now, giraffes are the tallest land mammals. Nature's cleanup crew, and they help to dispose of decaying carcasses before disease and contamination. So far, 132. If one member of the Cape Buffalo herd is in distress, the others are going to these animals, so they're disinterested in them. And ostrich eggs are very durable. They can withstand up to 300 pounds of pressure before they break. So I think anybody on this vehicle could actually stand